Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with essentials: power on your TWS, pair it, and keep it within 1 to 2 meters of your phone. Open the vendor app if available. Otherwise, open Bluetooth settings. Once connected, check the device entry and note the firmware and model name because some renames require a firmware minimum. Now choose the app's device tile or the OS item. This is where you will issue the rename command and push the change to the earbuds themselves. You now perform the actual rename. In the manufacturer app, tap the device and find Edit or the pencil icon. Type the desired name and confirm. This writes to the device profile. If you're using your phone's Bluetooth menu, select the device, choose Rename Device, enter the name, and save. If neither option exists, make sure firmware is current, then retry, because many devices expose rename only after an update or in advanced settings. Finish by disconnecting and reconnecting Bluetooth to ensure the new name propagates to other devices and apps. Once done, check paired lists on other devices and the vendor app to confirm consistency. Make sure to reboot the phone if needed. If the name reverts, perform a factory reset on the earbuds and repeat the rename sequence because stale profiles can block changes. Key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, update firmware and the app, then try renaming again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.